Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have another version of my wedding creations. And to not bore you so that it doesn't seem redundant, what I do is I'll share one creation with you today, and maybe 3 weeks from now you'll see another one, but it'll be totally different. In this creation I have added this piece here with paper birds. Look at this beautiful piece. I got this at a yard sale a while back. So let's say that this is the studio, the photo studio where the bride and the groom are going to take the pictures. So there are flower arrangements all around. Then I have 2 holiday chairs. They're ornaments, but they're perfect for creations like these, like weddings. These are all the arrangements that I had been working on. And again, the featuring piece in this creation is this one with the paper birds. I want you to soak it all in, so I just zoomed in. Behind that is a page from a calendar. Because again, like I said, this is a photo studio for wedding couples. And this is the invitation, which I am using as a rug. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have been enjoying these creations. And thank you so much for